Well, today's the end of the line for the Neon. It's been a long, I don't know, I've had it probably about 3 years. This July, maybe? Not real sure. I have to look at the title, but she's done. She still runs real good and everything. I'm actually kind of ashamed to be doing what I'm getting ready to do to it and hauling it off for scrap. But she's got too many problems, so we'll walk around and talk a little bit about the history of the car and get this thing ready for to be scrapped. So, yeah. Well, the first thing about this car, it had a very huge dent right here, and I kind of pushed it out so it wouldn't look so horrible. And then it's got a whole new other front end on it. It's blue. Well, it was mangled through here, and it was just beat all up. So I had the intentions to, when I had another Neon, put this front end on it and paint this to match the car. Just half-ass it. But you know, when I got this car, let's see here. You can see there's a plate in here. There's a plate running across. Some more plating up over there. But what happened was this car was wrecked, and it totally screwed up the bottom end of the core support down there. So I re-welded everything back in place, and it's solid as can be. I'd hate to hit somebody with the front end of this car, but yeah. Well, since I don't really have the correct odometer in this thing's actually relatively got really low miles. I think it's only got 130 on it. But, you know, she needs all new struts. She's going to need new tires. Oh yeah. Very uneven wear. All new tires. Let me show you the coolant in this. That's oil. I don't know where it's coming from. But here recently, this past summer, I actually took the motor out and put all new timing components, or new belt, water pump and all that in there. So, and then reset it back in. So, but it's just the end of the road for this car. So actually what I'm going to do now is take the bulbs out of it, keep fuses, relays. I'll keep the tires naturally, because, you know, they'll cost me if I scrap them. And any other little thing I can take. So, but actually what I'm going to do now is drain out the oil and the rear fluid, and then I'm going to start this thing up and blow it up. Well, there's no fluid left in her, and this will be the last start of this 98 Neon.